What's up, guys? Today we will talk about whenever you have an HP charging problem on your laptop, how can you fix that? Suppose you have an HP laptop and whenever you're trying to charge it, the orange light blinks. Well, why does this happen? So, orange light indicates there is some problem with your power. So, how can you do it? Well, the process for that is pretty simple. As you know, HP laptops give you orange signal when there is any of the power issues. So just make sure that your battery has some power in it. If it doesn't, just leave it for the charging for like half an hour or an hour. Whenever you will have enough power, just try turning it back on. However, other thing that you can try is power drainage. In order to do that, you just have to hold the power key for 20 seconds. When you hold it, it will automatically, like restart the stuff. And once you do that, just try to turn it back on, and there you go. It will automatically start working. Now, if this thing still doesn't work, there could be an issue in your battery or in your charger. For that, I would suggest you just go to the HP customer service and try to get it checked, and they will be able to help you out with that any problem. That's pretty much it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.